Hello,
Hello,
potatoes.
teacher.
Hi. Okay, can you hear teacher?
Yes.
Okay. All right, sorry for that. I forgot that I should end the class at 30 minutes and then get back after that. Sorry, I forgot because we reached beyond 30 minutes. It's 40 minutes already. That's why I cannot enter again immediately. I have to wait for a few minutes, okay? So very good because we finished this already and you were able to tell me what are these people doing in the picture. Now here, we have grammar. Let's do grammar activity or discussion first, potato. All right. So I have here a be verb plus good at plus the verb ing. What's the sentence? Please read. Let's make use
I
of the
am
word
good
good at.
at dancing.
Okay, I am good at dancing. How about the use of like or love? How do we use this one? Potato, please read.
He loves singing. He likes running.
Very good. Now here, potato, how about you, potato? What are you good at? Meaning, what are the things that you are good to do?
What are you teacher? We do good.
Yeah, what are the things that you are good to do? You are good at, come on.
To do.
I'm good at, what are you good at? Are you good at playing? Potato?
I got at playing.
What kind of sports do you play? I'm good at playing what?
Good at playing chess.
Ah, I'm good at playing chess. Okay. How about potato? What aren't you good at? What are the things that you think I'm not good? I'm not good at.
I'm not good at eating.
You're not good at eating? You don't eat a lot? What? You don't like to eat? Oh no, you're not good at eating, but you are good at sports. Okay. How about potato? Potato, another question. Potato, what do you like or love doing?
What do you like to do?
Like or love?
I like playing.
I like playing. Oh, very good. I like
I like
playing.
playing chess.
Okay, I like playing chess. Okay, look at this one. Let's have another activity. So what we are going to do here, potato, is to read and write the names. So we have here, what are the names of the people in the picture? Please read. Tom, please read. Who are the people? Tom,
Yeah. Sam. I don't know.
okay.
No.
Read first. What are the
Sue.
who are they?
Sue.
Sue. Who else? Sue,
It's
Jane.
really great. I love hopping on square number 8.
Okay, who is hopping on square 8? Who is hopping? Can you write the name?
Yeah.
Okay, write the name. Who is hopping? It's, can you write? All right. Who is hopping here? Coconut, right?
Two, one, two, wait a minute.
Okay. Oh, it's letter E, not letter A.
Oh,
E. Sue. S-U-E.
two.
Yeah. All right, all right. You want me to help you? It's there already. Letter E left. It's okay. Teacher will wait. Oh, I'll write letter E. Don't cry.